enormous structure discovered beneath the moon's surface. On the far side of the moon lies the South Pole-Aitken Basin, one of the largest intact craters in the solar system. This region has become the focal point of numerous investigations, including Artemis 3's mission to land humans at the South Pole, India's first lunar lander, and most intriguingly, the mass anomaly discovered by astronomers in 2019. Planetary scientists found a structure over 300 kilometers, 186 miles, deep and weighing more than 218 billion kilos. They speculate it might include metal from the asteroid that formed the crater. Consider burying a mass of metal 5 times larger than Hawaii's Big Island underground. That's about the amount of unanticipated mass we found, explained Peter B. James, lead author from Baylor University. The team used data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Interior Laboratory, GRAIL, mission spacecraft, which monitors minute variations in the moon's gravitational field. These observations allow us to examine the internal makeup of our natural satellite. The mass they measured is enough to cause the basin floor to drop by over half a mile, or about a kilometer. This is significant considering the crater has a diameter of about 2,500 kilometers, 1,550 miles. When we combine that with lunar topography data from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, we discovered the unexpectedly large amount of mass hundreds of miles beneath the South Pole-Aitken Basin, James said. One explanation for this extra mass is that the metal from the asteroid that formed this crater is still embedded in the moon's mantle. The researchers used computer simulations to explain the phenomenon. It is likely that instead of sinking into the core, the asteroid remained entrenched in the mantle when it struck about 4 billion years ago. Another theory suggests that during the moon's solidification, dense oxides concentrated as the lava ocean cooled and settled. The South Pole-Aitken Basin is of particular interest to space agencies due to its unique characteristics. This area can be used to study the moon's history and internal makeup. It is also an ideal laboratory to examine the aftermath of a devastating collision on a rocky planet's surface. However, the moon's south pole is not the only region concealing enormous odd structures beneath the surface. Recently, astronomers announced the discovery of a large heat-emitting object beneath the Compton and Belkovich craters on the moon's far side. Subscribe for more detailed videos like this.